Question. My dad is a good businessman, but after selling his business and retiring, he keep losing money in the stock market. Any advice on how I can help him? Now, this is what I observe while advising my clients who are business owner. Let me explain. Now, the very same traits or characteristics that makes you a good business owner will make you a horrible investor. For most businessmen or businesswomen, what makes them successful in the first place? You tell me. You are driven. You do whatever it takes. You get shit done. Get things moving no matter the obstacles. You are impatient. You are a risk taker. You are confident. You are someone with big picture. And what are the traits of good investors? Analytical, attention to detail, long-term, patience, and no emotional attachment. Making money is taking action. Keeping growing and investing your money is a behavior that also requires wisdom. Most business people, however, feels like taking risk in the stock market something like a second nature to them. But little that they realize, stock market risk is not something they can control, unlike in business. Cause they might know a lot about the business that they are doing, but professional fund managers or stocks traders know a lot more information in the stock market than Tom, Dick and Harry. The kind of information that the general public do not even know or have access to. For business owner, it is really in your best interest to adopt a barbell investing strategy. Business is already a risky venture, so when you want to adopt a more conservative approach, so your life is balanced, like in the middle, instead of being loop-sided. Have any question for me? Leave your comments below. Like to hear from you what you feel about what I just said. Subscribe if you have not already. Here's the next video you will love.